Say hey, faithful. Gary here with another episode of 49ers Fogies Shorts. What I saw and from the Angry Desert Redbirds game. What I saw. The team played bully ball. Offensive worked well as a team and they gave up no sacks. Defense once again showed trust and did their jobs well. Special teams had their best game of the year so far. Defense gave 0 points in the second half and only 10 in the first half. They did a good job of containing McCoy. They let him run 3 times for 6 yards. That's a 2-yard average. They also had 3 sacks and 8 quarterback hits. They shut down the running game, only 67 yards with a 2.8 average. And DeAndre Hopkins had 12 targets, 9 catches for 91 yards, and they forced 4 punts. The offense, they scored 17 points in the first half and 21 in the second. The offensive line gave up no sacks and only 4 quarterback hits. The run game was good for 159 yards. The passing game, very good. 20 for 29 for 228 yards and no interceptions. The receiving corps shined in this game. 20 catches for 228 yards, that's an 11.4 average. And we also had a total of 157 yards rushing. We just blew the Angry Desert Redbirds out of the game. Special teams look better than they have all year. 4 punts and only 1 return. And the coaches, they put together schemes that were flexible, and it worked at everything that Arizona threw at them. And that's what I saw. How to fix it? What's to fix? Oh, as always, no. The penalties, no. Coaches, keep up the good work. Do what you're doing and continue to get better. Practice what you preach. Defense, not to be repetitive, but continue to work on using your arms on tackles. Wrap those dudes up. Defensive line, continue to keep a low center of gravity and keep the leverage on your side. Continue to set the edge. Linebackers, don't misdirection. Don't let them misdirection you. Pull you away from your assigned job. Defensive backs, don't get distracted from your job. Just don't try too much. Just do what you need to do. Just continue to get healthier and better each week. Offense, O-line, continue protecting the quarterback, holding your ground and keeping a low center of gravity. Keep driving on your run blocks, opening those holes and getting to the next level. Tight ends, keep your blocks tight and chip block on the way out to your routes. Wide receivers, no fumbles, no drop balls, win the 50-50 balls. Run the correct routes. Quarterback, continue not hanging onto the ball too long. Continue to throw the ball away when necessary. Running backs, follow your blockers, run to daylight vertically, run good routes and chip block if at all possible on your way out for a pass. Special teams, solid tackling techniques, take good angles, no holding or blocks in the back, and keep the kickoffs out of the end zone. Group test exercises wouldn't hurt. Well, that should fix it. What I see, we still have plenty of talent in all 3 disciplines. We still have a wide back and a running receiver. Who has a better front office and coaching staff? Who has a better receiving corps? We will remain on course. We will continue to improve. We're number 1 in the NFC West, and we'll continue to get stronger and finish going undefeated in the NFC West. We will make the playoffs this year because, of course, you know, optimism is always king. Well, that's the way I see it. So, until next time, stay faithful and go Niners!
Just gotta poke around. Just a chicken on Shakedown Street. Used to be a hard town. Tell me this town ain't got no heart. Just gotta poke around.
Say hey, faithful. You made it to the end. Leave us a message in the comments down below. And go Niners!